My name is Cynthia Topol. I am the Associate General Counsel at Sleep Number Corporation. We turned to Workiva to help us solve some of our biggest problems, including version control, also collaborating in the same document. Workiva is really great for helping us have something that we feel confident in that makes it kind of auditable, repeatable, and sustainable. Something I really appreciate about Workiva is the ability to move from one workspace to another. And so like our SEC reporting manager is able to help connect some of the same data on the SEC side to the ESG side. Workiva has really helped us in the ESG space to kind of organize our thoughts and help create a system or a program that we can be successful from the beginning to the end. So we use the tool to start drafting, start putting in data, getting sign off and review and approve data. It just is like the whole package organizational tool. One of the biggest benefits with the Workiva platform for us at Sleep Number is we have smaller teams doing some of the work. So one person who works on SEC reporting can help me implement some of the workbooks and things that support the ESG side. So having just one tool, you're able to kind of maneuver from one to the other. I love the feature of being able to point to the same source of truth so that you know that in your proxy statement, the headcount number or some other fact is the exact same as how you represented it in the ESG report. If I had to sum up Workiva in just 3 words, I would say leadership, support, and reliability.